because we found one of the coolest history lessons around.
This is in Old Town Scottsdale. You can get a look inside the Titanic like never before. ABC 15's Zach Perry is live there this morning. And Zach, this experience is awesome, bringing together really more than a century of mystery.
That's right, Nick. You know what? I'm king of the world here at Titanic Immersive Voyage. You know, this is actually going on from now all the way through October, and this is truly one of the most immersive experiences you can have with the Titanic. There's over 100 artifacts here at the Gallery of Scottsdale, and you know, with these triple-digit temperatures, there's no cooler way to get into the air conditioning here. It is cold, almost as cold as these icebergs that we all know were the fateful, history lesson with the Titanic here. But we actually have Denny here with me, and Denny, this immersive experience has over 100 different artifacts, lots of different immersive exhibits. For people making their way out here, what can they experience?
You can experience a lot, in all honesty. So Exhibition Hub are the leaders of immersive experiences globally in over 40 countries. So here at the Titanic and Immersive Voyage, you are going deeper than just the history of the Titanic. You are actually immersed in virtual reality and cinematic storytelling in regards to the Titanic. Absolutely amazing, very educational. They are the storytellers of edutainment, making it very interactive, being able to take photos and the audio guide leading you and telling you so much. It's really exciting stuff.
Absolutely, and it really just seems like there's a lot of great photo ops, throughout the exhibit. Yes. This is about an hour to an hour and a half, voyage as you make through the Titanic experience. Yes. So it's a great spot for young and old to really get some great photos and some great family time, as well as a great history lesson on the Titanic.
Yes, definitely. It's kind of wild to see the children are coming in with more knowledge when it comes to the Titanic. Also very exciting that they know so much. I learned more from them than some adults, and we all walk away with deeper knowledge and empathy for the tragedy that happened.
Absolutely. Guys, this experience is going on from now all the way through October, with a chance that it's going to even extend later into the year. But you know what? There's no icebergs ahead here, plenty of life jackets, plenty of lifeboats, and we've all seen the movie, Nick and Kaylee. I gotta know, was there enough room for both Jack and Rose on that door? I think there was, but that's just me. Reporting here at the Titanic Immersive Voyage in the Gallery of Scottsdale, Zach Perry, ABC 15 Arizona.